5 people were lost on a planet called Bird Planet. On top of that, they just lost 2 of their friends. They were kidnapped to Bird City, and they were on a incredible journey to rescue them. These are their stories. Dean said, "Guys, I think we're gonna get across the sea. I could check them out hit rock. Hollow said, don't check them out hit rock." Dean said, I assume we're gonna go on a boat. Hollow said, yeah. Dean asked the lady how much money does it cost to ride the boat. The lady said it cost us 20 feet. So Dean gave the lady 20 feet and they were gonna go on the boat. Dean said, guys, we have a problem. We seriously have a problem. The boat ride cost 20 feet, but I only had 30 feet. So what do I have left if only 10 feet? It's not enough for dinner for all 3 of us. So we'll go for dinner. We gotta be careful what we buy. Paul says, okay. Jackie said, okay. When they were asleep, they had a dream. All 3 of them had a dream together. They were in some kind of dream world. Okay, they were in some strange building and they were saying if they should continue. They said they would continue because they figured they would get out of the dream if they continued. David said hi to the girl. The girl said, "Hi, David. I'm the spirit of this ocean. I allow for this ocean offering to have life offering." David said, "I see." The girl said, "I bet you guys want out of this dream, don't you?" David said, "Yeah, okay." Well, the girl said, if you want out of the dream, all you have to do is just say you want out of the dream. And they said, okay, I want out of the dream. When they woke up, it was basically the next day. The dream they had was over, and they were getting closer to the shore. Dia said, "Guys, how about we camp here tonight?" And they said, "Yeah, let's camp here." Okay, they basically sat around the campfire. They cooked their dinner on an open fire. It was quite delicious. Afterwards, they socialized about the day and the being on the boat and all that. Afterwards, they came time to put the fire out, and they went to sleep. And that's basically where the movie ends for now.